my chips. Not really much of my chips.
So what? The bread, they have chips tonight.
Tell me actually, tell mommy 2 number right. Only 1 to 40, not over 40. That's it, then.
4.
Okay,
4.
1 more. Remember between 1 to 40. Just think about it, just think about it. You don't have to tell me not to.
4 and 10.
Okay, son. Thank you.
It's some cake too, it's some cake, it's okay.
And heaps of cheese in the pasta, so yummy, eh? Hmm? Wanna get it?
Okay, then I have an oven.
Mm.
The oven.
Mm.
Có phải như vậy. Okay. You put in some, sometimes you put some top up. I think if you top up your phone, sometimes it lasts long. If you top up,
Mm.
but you never top up.
I think that's why your sound probably went off. Yes,
I top up, but never work.
Oh yeah, I think
What I top up?
Mm.
maybe
Yeah.
try.
That's why.
Need to go to the Vodafone to ask if they can do it. Fix it. Hmm?
I think the passenger will put like cheese.
Nice. The coconut pudding is very nice.
Mm. Taco Copella din eh. That means Taco Copella. So yum.
You should get more from mine.
Get some more this week.
Why you were still open when you cook there, right?
Mm. Yeah.
I think it closes at 6.
6.
6 o'clock.
I have one bread here. One bread, not the other one.
3.5.
You got enough, son?
Yep, then go food.
You're welcome, son.
Bring a drink anyway. Want some cake?
Let's see what that's a drink.
It's all right.
Cake today. You want some cake later? Ah.
You have some cake before you go through.
Have some cake, son.
It's all right.
Have like a little
You
bit.
can have it later.
Mm.
I'll leave it up again. Very well.
Oh, yeah. We'll go through.
Don't take too long.
Mm.
Can we skip it? I'll get up there and get to the water.
Yeah, you're gonna go do it.
Yeah, I'll go do it. You go now?
I have to finish.
I open them and give them a fire.
Oh, I'll do it. I'll do it for you. Why are you there? I'm full. Thank you for the food. Smash with the Mom, you've got to get tomato sauce and
Yeah, I know.
Do you want me to do your letter?
I'll come with you, darling.
Wait, wrap it in a paper towel. Just do it in the car.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'll fold a paper towel so you just eat it later.
Mm-hmm.
I just try to eat it. It's really Let's put mayonnaise and sauce.
Mm.
Lots of getting sauce and mayonnaise.
Mm.
Yeah, I feel bad. Let's give them sauce.
Mm.
It's alright.
Thank God for nothing.